different type of madman type of shame on you. Akoi took a chain no koi beginning day, Bharat Sarkar no koi khangu, no ne thamimio sing she na koi gi agent oibedo, akoi bu manghal le, akoi bu kapal le, akoi bu hatol le, or up something. Dialogue should carry on. To me, everybody should be seized from firing it. Go, number one. Number two, quite luwa victim se kanano have se government of India munna khangbam thoyi. Akoi the unprepared. Akoi the unprepared means in the sense that akoi amne chamna lejaba. Akoi community ni. We are very accommodative. We are very considerate. Akoi shown manate. Atubu, Chin Cookie Jogi plan city. This is not that 1 year, 2 years back mamang di nate. This is from 5, 6, 7 decades onwards. Very quick covertly my plan nitori punamus. Anyway, mang majab mang re, tum majab tungre, amuk mase amuk kari haini koi am haloroi dabani. Now the question said the Honorable Home Minister. 142 crores ki mayam Home Minister have say is kangi 37 38 departments all India man jing is ngaun chen million ai kangi man ngamdana bu mal lady man ngamdana ma thadokadam ni ngammi hare okay man peace for what kind of a peace national highway ani ko chalan ba jadri is it called the peace we cannot sleep peacefully is it called peace lupa tramanga lupa kun piram by enjang na pido ngasi almost 70-80 rupees 400 persons hangatana bazar the joli thau indena phangdri cheng indena phangdri government ne khar pi the khot na tore is it a symptom of peace some hariga akoi ni national highway police complete thingrabani na only koi airline chat pasit shigi to only means is it called peace not at all. Akoi fundamental rights hingbagi di almost 90% kathal ga tham grebani aduna mase Bharat Sarkar ki interest thodok khandok na hanadigi lobham thokpani 15 16 17 months it is too long Tauri se hanadigi prepared oidan laktana waging war by this narco terrorist people and paisa su mokoina say example ko South America da leiba akoi drug narcotel mayam panamusin mayam pimi lising wire no mai pair ga narco gi paisa mayam singsin tawdanam ka crowd funded on leir ga mapunsi puno tawsumai no mohne tawre to honba punamase does he not know the government of India? Number one. Number two, no suspension of operation the lady ba this Chin Cookie terrorists, these foreigners no koi agreement the labor you have not abrogated. Manipur government ne jadi and Modi told why you have leniency on them. Only the law and order is it the CRPC or Bharat ki Nyay Sanghita or Bharat Nagarik Nyay Sanghita this Sanghita so is it this 1860 only Bharat Nyay Sanghita so only plainly mewing aktara a person who is khulla openly and overtly emboldenedly mean halibam rocket propeller grenade God shame ga kui wrong long range ki put tara maternity wang ba same ga to na kot to punamak an officer like PC Nair Lieutenant General how bluntly how such kind of a bias make a statement about Assam Rifle ki 45 battalion ki Lieutenant General mana director mana bo support to mana bangangi bo wangsin takpadi I am 100% sure that he must knew it before. Bharat Sarkar ne to riba mi engshima phajana khangbadi Assam Rifle riba mi lising riba se karim tan action logida basi why Bharat Sarkar what kind of a peace yes you could not restore peace Bharat Sarkar but you have definitely made the pieces to hon bigano to bujare Bharat Sarkar na koi line khangnu akoi na koi bi jam respect to ine okay Manipur government has become totally handicapped kari tawuni to chairasu kanade as long as koi bargi ko president sapna tumcha sam topic chei manga le no moi to lo to posi jar roi because they have not committed any serious crime koi gi madotol yad ho ministry change so baja lak baja chatok it is okay fun gayaram chatok da muto baja okay sheikh mission der mukra mani hingam gi dori ge aduna masi to hai bitar badi okay ain hajo haribade Bharat government should be very serious.
Government of India should be very serious.
Very serious ogidamni.
Union Home Minister na hagive je bawon. Housing lai river crisis si mahang adi violence haibani ko. Ai community ani ki masi violence ne haibani. So there cannot be any solution until there is a dialogue between them. Kani haibani adu and again. Yes.
Aiga nupa man aggression ni aggressive ni amna magi locus standi or my fundamental rights like thaoina masi chin kuki jona balkanized toruga a native kuki people indigenous people amu pura chathokene to busun does the Bharat Sarkar not know pare Huran mitu ko terrorist ka koi Manipur government ge mako ka chief minister ka karamaine phamoga kari negotiation khone to gudori se what is the role and responsibility of being a guardian of home minister or the government of India?
Yes.
Nakoi why not you come in between? Nakoi ki level intelligence ya punamak lone khangi bane why you are covering up? कौन बात करेंगे किसके साथ? और आप क्यों नहीं करते बीच में? हाय वो ही मिलाई अब. You take the pivotal role. You sit in the middle. You hear from both sides along with the documented evidences. पुण्य who is chin kuki jo terrorist service Bharat Sarkar जीवन कोई खंडर बने कोई नमित थिल्ल ताक पताई तो this is a what we plan.
I have two questions here.
Hi.
Bang anisi amana since the last 16 months how give tara taruksi the what is stopping the government of India to have a dialogue?
Exactly. Mashiro. Bharat Sarkar se sam yeng badam icham chamba khara leiba akuna no mai pai da akuna khara chamna leiba da khotpa se akoi sibu khara moithem toruga makhoi da thaido ga nungsiba gum khaji khara armed forces ke mayam and paramilitary force CAPF puna maksud tuminna lehirba se is it not the some sort of a signal from the government of India? अरे भाई कुछ मत करना देखते रहे ना देखते हैं कहाँ तक है बतो अतुबले नो ये तहुन बार नत्र ने हायु ने हमें human business no the tahu है तो नहीं ताऊ किधर बनी why army is not active why this fellow PC Nair he is a lieutenant general so whatever he might be he was a director general that's so what क्या फर्क पड़ता है why he dared to speak that Shumain Tori Pulma drone ka Halibu Siri Collins say that by the Chin cookie terrorists only by Manipuris Hayune. Why you didn't add this word? You are a commission officer of Indian Army and you have converted into a different. Is it because of that you are crowdfunded? Crowdfunded have become powerful oike hyber tada thousand crores people's mind can be changed, can be purchased. By size and no Vijani. 62,000 crores only because the Manipur government Phabangamri. More than 2 lakh, 3 lakh crores in Assam, Meghalaya, Churachan, Mizoram, the Loini Chaitokran Pesapunamuse. Makoye mean at the bureaucrats and retired bureaucrats. Completely along with the ministers, Mizoram, the Akui Mimi and Pull, oh, Delhi, North Block, South Block, General Boban, people completely no one in with us, Makuna Lori, Akui Hato Pire, Akui Moni Jangbitre, Mineru Kubi Jangbitre, a single type entitled Modepishalo High, Akui budget for Pibitre, Akui Mivo, Adachel of Hajaludi. Some sort of soft corner, curry soft corner, Bharat Sarkar, curry token in a koi the koina. A coin in a koi, curry token, no coin, independent religion. According independent only legitimate country we want to go back to the pre-merger agreement. I dare to say that अब जो कुछ भी चाहे आपके न्याय संहिता कोई भी धारा में लगाओ न कोई ने भी जंग भी थी न कोई ने भी इंथोक ने थम्बी रे न कोई लंबी से चलन दे national highway thing which कनान thing में मिर्जा not by this narco terrorism because of government of India NHAI national highway से इंडिया गिनी यू कैनॉट प्रोटेक्ट आप इसका आपका ये रास्ते भी अपने खुल करके हमें चलने नहीं देते हैं कौन पाबंदी रखते हैं आपका लाखों 18 लाख के सिपाही कहाँ गए
final question first round jida bahung lak chani final question se union home minister ki ma ke statement se here I quote again we have created a roadmap to solve the crisis housing crisis se solve to nabi ki roadmap same habane adu government of India with the military strength which is the fourth in the world adu the world economy da taruk subada leiriba India na Manipur ki crisis se resolve to nabi ki damak tha tara truk change ba road map am sem bada so sigi tha tara truk chang ba yam expensive oi ba yam mamal lei ba road map se pabung do you trust it?
No, I don't buy that theory. भारत सरकार कुंभकर्ण थातरुक तुम्बा थातरुक हगरपा सोते जाओ भारत सरकार मणिपुरी 1000 तो मरवा दो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? नो करीचन पर करी काएगी हम तो अपना कुर्सी में हम तो सत्ता में हम तो बिल्कुल हम सही बैठे हैं उगोंदा मैं खन मनते तो इच्छा जिसका है वो कर सकते थे तो बीते करी तो गुनी अखोई लेंगा सुखर नुपा थोक बताई लेंगा सुखर ता पाइन चंग बताई नतर थांग हाई बताई अमित शाह की ममांग द थांग हाई बताई चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब अखोई ngam उठ बताई नहीं साहब आई थांग हाई रिसनी मसे शांति से थोन पो नतर थांग हाई रंगनी हाई भी मतम लाब जाने तो मोई तो बको पददी मयम की दन खोत लोई तोगी अखोई चुमन चंगजन हाई जे वजे मोई ता देने मोई ए मसे बिखानी बलाई हाई भी भात मोई खली नो मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट यू फ्लेक्स योर मसल नुपा होइबदो खोई उत्पताबने जे को नो नम से यारोय फॉर ए पीस नेगोशिएट आफ्टर द डेथ यू आर इनवाइटिंग डॉक्टर मशरूर में थोकले योर आईबी योर एसआईबी योर स्पेशल ब्यूरो मिनट टू मिनट यू न्यू इट व्हाट डिड यू डू यू डिडंट डू एनीथिंग अभी कितने लोगों को जान गंवाए 60-70,000 दैट पीपल आर होमलेस तो फिर आप इनके जवाब क्या देंगे और फिर बोलते आप बातें करो किसका भारत सरकार आप बीच में बैठी है यू कम इन द मिडल एंड लेट द इट इज नॉट द मणिपुरी अलोन दिस इज द होल मणिपुर 34 कम्युनिटी की रिप्रेजेंटेटिव न कोई दी we don't have any differentiate other community naga boygo ki kari ati sagai lerpun mokhoi we are all together because this is the factual fact peace lima family we accommodate everybody why government of India you seem to be so much sub corner for this chin cookie jo terrorist is it because some other special region what is the region
what is the reason
we're asking you
what is the reason paung sonamani na hangi government of India da ai mathang sige paung la lakchaning bujing sa ozana thangbi wafam ji continuation dani ngasi home minister banjibo wafam sida yamna ekoi ki if Manipur India ki home minister na if he is very serious oiba taraba aduga mahakna take away ani khaktang di yam poina maru oina lobasi ngasai FMR gi sida ana wafam am oide tawbutabu Manipur ki issue ji resolve to nogi damak road map ama leire haiba sina taseng bo oiraga di taseng na Manipur gi leiribo issue ji resolve yam thuna to adra haiba gi thajabaduni aduga taseng na mahausa na haide public to leiriba mistrust siga gi leiriba film sida mu hana public ki thaja basi manghan daragadi madu oiragadi issue si resolve tawdasu yam chawna ekoi gi dinda na maram mu oigani hebani maruina CRPF season nabagi matang si sigi sidana ekoi na kitang interpretation ama pabung lai se mahang lai gi basi yarai court we have successfully deployed CRPF at strategic location tongan strategic location sing the CRPF se deployed tawre infiltration thingnabagi damakta government of India amadi Myanmar anina movement of people seeing see only through visa chatnaragani habagi wafam ne pabu masigi matang sida CRPF si asengbadi Indo Myanmar ge border paring sida border ngakna ba leiva security force Assam Rifles oine sinarmani pabu now CRPF na mahut chilakpagi wafam wakak lakpaje masida Assam Rifles ki mahut CRPF na sille haiba haidraga jo ngasai ki magi purpose simadi Assam Rifles na hana toroma thabak sing si CRPF na tawpagi mawang ni now public ki yam popular oiba demand amadi Assam Rifles ki mahut atopa paramilitary forcing na mahut sinbiyo haiba sini matang sida home minister no loriba masigi steps is it Manipur ki people ki demand siga relate to nabu ina loruk panena lopra paung kare happening
Mirza sorry Miras akhoi gi armed personnel da makhan group hum thoi our armed forces have the army air force and navy the paramilitary force paramilitary is only Assam rifle then comes central central police organization means CAPF BSF CRP adigi kari hai koi gi SSB ITBP asum se loin kano dalai central armed police force system CAPF the labor mission se mostly law and order in act thamme border the thamba have say they are specialized people because border have see our many enemies Myanmar gumba, Bangladesh gumba, Pakistan gumba, China gumba, I say very serious kind of people. I am moist gumba thamgandi. Matamata way back 60s, beginning to ida, kuna mori deka chalaga Myanmar munu cheng matanya koi turi indi hi ka la laga meira ka paira chali ta jaduga. BSF na guarding tarome. Ngasi Bangladesh ka or Pakistan, sorry, India ke West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya pura musa BSF na lone guard because moi training makhan sekatang tongan ba. But BSF so it comes under the purview of within the within the ambit of the ngasay ko ye CAPF to lakpa. Assam Rifles sina paramilitary order it has been commanded mostly by 90% say by the army officers na command tabo. Moi training operational purpose so army makha dalaiba. Shinikhena bhai se. Acha quantum of training CRP the piba kujukulation normal ke peace and tranquility am loan order the season ba. RAA kind of marak to amutore. Masin marak mo hang no pai na mujani. Other my kujukulation BSF na muketang CRP take CRP take mo in a mo haigali. Mo the P ribbon no may some can P haba. Asipuna mase loina toba yaramani had there been that nobody pointed finger on this Assam Rifle and army. Assam Rifle ga army ke matak ta mean chingnarei base there is sufficient ground, sufficient reason to point finger on them. I have a due regard for the army. Yes, moki chanabi, konabi, moiki there are certain norms okay moi manabujade. They are very particular. I have a very, but there are some molds are there. 100 thoi be issue say must thol my means had the army or the paramilitary force Assam Rifle matik chana matam chana justifiably or makoi duty se tarambata without any bias or without any having any kinds of different opinion. Moidi anybody around matabuk to the moimatik chan to biram matarbadi masia hek horupadi mutat pajaram marjani, but which they did not do it. Other tapaku chingnarak pase hanadigi. Karigino Assam Rifle kante Assam Rifle by talu chalu highway se karigino hybrid Queen isum leshalakpaga moy macha masulo salakpaga family dum lerekpaga kot moko ye some sort of a soft corner highway do me ma oidi laibam thui lerekpache tara kun thra leshala manina they become an inactive. Okay, inactive to show oiro yare. Not only that, they remain silent. Atayibuna kapal laga akoy na katang macha matoro but nahi sino kakapajadi buffer zone sino to bujati haidana atay to udun mami to ushal laga laiba. This is how the our fingers are pointing on them. Their credibility is lost. Makoy to thajab sharuk kaise we totally lost. If a person like PC Nair, who is the head of this Assam Rifle ke 45 battalions say almost 45,000 kari hena lady bani all more than half a lakh lady bani adugi nupalduna bhav asu minus very serious and dangerous and in a very unbecoming and despicable and obnoxious behavior if you could utter makhadri kari toro moidagido. That is the reason everybody pointed finger on their integrity. They remain silent. Only to those the people living in the plain area na akune kanogi thangam paire chapa khopa nomai paire dinata tawba moina koi di thingi sondegi mathakte kapalakpa puna mase kanagi magi bordano kanagi magi ashirwad no kanani injali bano kanana protection piri bano. Now it has revealed it. Aduna, I am very sorry to say, even Indian Army, Toromise Yengbu, Editor Guild of India mayam lai. They invited them, Editor Guild of India, very big people, high fight, this thing, that thing. Lai khole, khao piyo, dance karo, enjoy karo, officer mess mein raho. Moine briefing pi haine. As per the Editor Guild of India, some of the very unkind people from Delhi, they didn't want to see the Manipuris. You Editor Guild of India, you people. Moina hare, tauripune magase mase amine koi briefing are you? How about your credibility? You lost your credibility. आपको पर क्या विश्वास करेंगे आप? हायरेगा आर्मी ने ब्रीफिंग पे, ओ आप आर्मी के साथ अब नौकरी करते हो और ये भी हमें खुश है आर्मी, आप राजनीति में आप उतरे हैं, बहुत अच्छा आर्मी, क्योंकि आप पर कोई कभी हम संदेह नहीं था। नोने तोड़े पुल में से लोने बित लोन चप मन बनी, but who is masterminding all these things above all the government of India? Editor Guild of India ने इतने मुखी ने तो बुझाबा कोई मरमद लान फेक नैरेटिव तो उन पीव से, I'm sorry to say the judiciary, I am pointing finger on them. That to Chief Justice of India, my most respected, admirable young Chief Justice 𝗦𝗢𝗓𝗓 𝗦𝗢𝗓𝗓, Editor Guild of India, he has come to know that they have committed some mistake.
Yes.
He says under the 135A, says that when some journalists people, when they started when they committed to or they have wrongly they have published or they have falsified some information, etc., how do I punish them? So many thousand people Hyderabad is acquit to be gre.
media sing the thole iba mayam report punam sia chum banatian.
Whatever might be the reason, a person like this Mr. P.C. Nair and Mr. Harris, deliberately I'm saying it, Army, they will never accept it, that they without their rank, without their naming them, they don't like it. I said that I dare to say that he's a Mr. P.C. Nair, Lieutenant General, I don't know. Had he been the Lieutenant General commissioned by the Army, I don't know. He would never have given such kind of a statement. I have never heard in my life. I met many army generals by virtue of the ADC to governor, CM, OSD, or DGPE, staff officer. I became many officers. I have my due regard. They are much more disciplined army and paramilitary than to the police, because we are law and order. The only once upon a time they have a beautiful the discipline, they have got the beautiful manner, but something we see the new thing that which is never expected, and even the army involved in the politics and the paramilitary, Lieutenant General, he spoke just like something a different type of madman type. Shame on you. Koi took a chain, no koi be jenning day, Bharat Sarkar no koi khangu, no ne thammi miyoi sing se na koi gi agent oibado, koi be manghal le, koi be kafal le, koi be hatol le, और अब शांति की बात कर रहे हैं। किस किस्म का शांति?
Okay, Bang, thank you.